This is a video of my grandmother's 4-ton 1988 temp star. I think it's a temp star at least. It's an international, well, it's an inner city products, now called International Comfort Products. 48,000 BTUs. Manufactured September of '88. Oh, I want to make note of something. Over there is a 2-ton Train XE1000. I'll get a video of that soon. I'm going to get a video of this unit's gas furnace too. It's a high efficiency. And believe it or not, you can't see it because the unit is not on, but there is the compressor actually says Copeland, and it's a Copeland compressor, so Copeland Reciprocating compressor. And I'm going to go around the other side. Oh yeah, it's not running because it's about 50 degrees out. It's a nice fall day. Oh, it's a Kenmore. I thought this was a temp star always. I go over to my grandmother's a lot. Flue pipes for the furnace are out front, so yeah. High efficiency. But that, I think it means 8, 9, or 10 SEER. Let me get into reading the numbers. Model number is CA5048QKA1. And there's something else below it that says 867800140. Serial number is L88369370. And the style number is 48MC000087CR. And the manufacturer number is NAC5048QKA1. Same thing, basically. And this is actually a pretty big unit. I mean, in size, too. I mean, it's not very tall, but it's very wide around. I have to power up this furnace because my grandmother and grandpa are down in Florida and they left their furnace running because it's cold up here in Chicago. So, thank you for watching. Over and out. Oh, P.S. the furnace is a Lennox. Out.